Hi, I'm Melanie. I'm the Team Assistant of Dcubed and I joined the company already in March 2021, even though I don't have any space background. And this is one of the nice things here, that I learned a lot about the space world. As a team assistant, next to my daily tasks, I'm happy to support different departments like logistics, accounting, marketing, sales, etc. And I'm able to bring in my skills and my knowledge to bring contributions to Dcubed. If I need, remote work is often possible for me. If there's anything which needs to be done in the office urgently, I always have my colleagues which offer helping hands. On the other side, I am also happy to offer them my helping hand. It's a nice give and take. To Dcubed, it is very important that every employee feels comfortable and heard. This is why everyone always has open ears. It is exciting to see how the company grows, how the processes change, and how the departments arise. We are already more than 3 times of the amount of colleagues since I started here. At Dcubed, we often have team events like hiking trips, summer parties, or going to a restaurant. And I'm always happy to organize these events. And yeah, it's always a nice time that you can spend with your colleagues outside the office.